So maybe let me just share my chart for right. Should I just share my chart?
Yeah, just share your chart.
Okay, because you're going to patch in everything else, right?
Yeah, I gotta patch it in. The only thing is I'm not sure how to patch in like where you're screen sharing your chart. I don't know with Zoom how to like patch in your face view too.
I mean, it's fine at the end of the day, even if I'm not. I think just talking to the people is fine too. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I think so. I mean, I think just having you
I
on
can
here
figure it
talking.
out on the next run.
Yeah, let me go back to OBS now and get this formatted, and then we will be good to go. All right, if this is the case, here's what we're going to do. I'm going to make your chart the bigger chart. We'll still be right on time, so no worries. Just taking 1 second with the formatting is all. All right, so my chart is updating live time. What? 1 second. Let me look at something. So yeah, there's like a discrepancy on the Zoom feed that you're showing. It's not reflecting the same over on the OBS screen share. Let me get that fixed. Here, we're gonna do this. I'm gonna recreate the scene. Yeah, I don't know why it's not reflecting like automatically on like what your screen's showing on Zoom. That's correct, but then over on the OBS feed, it's just like paused at the open, and I like re-put it on there and everything.
Stop it and then I'll start it again.
Okay, yeah, let's do that. See, and now like it's hold on. It's not like grabbing the live Zoom feed is the problem. It's just like stuck on an old screenshot of Zoom. Um, let's see. Yeah, for some reason it's not showing the live Zoom feed, which is a problem. Let me, I have an idea. We're going to do this Zoom meeting I'm going to do it from the web browser and not use the Zoom app, and then that should be a live feed. So let me try that here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to end this meeting, and then I'm going to invite you on another Zoom meeting, and we'll fix it. Test, test, test.
Can
All right, yeah, I hear you. Can you hear me? Jesus, okay. All right, so it's my audio is being used by other apps, so it's not going to let the audio come through here. I see you and hear you fine on here, but my audio is prevented on here. So, um, here's what I'm going to do. I have another plan. I wonder if you can be in 2 Zoom meetings at once. Let me try to invite you back to the Zoom app because it was working for a split second and then it just stopped. Oh well, no, the audio was working over there. It was just the when I would put your screen share on OBS, it wasn't, you know, showing everything. So let's do this again. I'm gonna invite you one more time. Better late than never. That's right. Um, yeah, probably so. I don't know, man. Yeah, I see that. Okay. Now I'm gonna try to invite you one more time. sent. We know the audio works now. It's just about getting the screen share to relay over. This is technically my start time is 8:45 on stream, so we're really not that late. No, I mean, I'll just say technical difficulties. They know I have technical difficulties. Okay, admit. Okay,
Alright.
and then you just request.
I'm
Okay, you hear me. And then you might just have to like do your audio thing like you did again on this one. Yeah. I heard slight. Try one more time. No, I can't hear you through the Zoom right now.
Can you hear it now?
Yes, I hear it perfectly now.
I think we're good then.
Okay, now let me see if I can get the screen share to come through. The F, man, it's not showing your chart over on OBS. I mean, it's showing it on Zoom. It's just not relaying.
Let me do my screen. Hold on there, because I ran into issues with OBS before. Showing just a chart as well. It just shows nothing, right? It's just
Correct.
blank.
It's just blank.
Yeah, so I just switched it to screen.
So I see it on Zoom, but it's one second. I wonder. Let me do this one thing here. Okay, now I'm going to be able to have you and your chart if this will ever relay over. I wonder if there's like a privacy like thing that like on Zoom it's not going to let me like broadcast over. Okay, now I can't hear your audio again. I'm not sure what happened there. All right, now I got
Hello?
your audio. Your audio's good. Trying to think if there's a way that I can just because here I'll send you a picture of what is happening. So I see everything perfectly fine on Zoom, obviously, here, but then on OBS, it's just a white box.
Yeah. So what are you selecting on OBS?
I'm doing
So
a window capture.
do a
So
screen capture.
a screen capture. Okay.
Yeah, I think the window capture is the one that blocks out those charts.
Okay, let me do that then. Let me delete this one. Okay. All right. Got an idea here.
Which is a trading chart. And when he goes to do like a window capture, the chart is just blank, like there's nothing. Are we doing something? Should we be doing like? Like window share, screen share or something? Like you select what you want to, don't they have that feature? Yeah. Let's do window capture and then select like out of my screen and zoom what you're trying to do. Do you want to try that?
Yeah, let me. Yeah, I don't think the full display capture is going to work. So let me try the window again. But you can select what you want, right? Yeah, game capture, and then you can select the window and then select inside the window, whatever you want. Oh, game capture. Okay, let me try that.
That might be our problem, because like some of these things, like OBS blocks some of this stuff from being actually seen.
That makes a lot of sense. Okay. I think that's.
Okay, if we got anything else, I'll call you later, man.
Thank God for that guy.
Yeah, yeah, down in. Good deal. Thanks, man.
Okay, I think we might be in business.
Diggity dang, man.
All right, better
Just
late
gotta
than never.
call the overpaid CTO. I'm joking. The guy should be paid 10 times more.
All right, we're in business now. That's what it was.
Okay, let me get, I want this little box in here, right? How do I get this shit out of here?
Yeah, I don't see your screen share anymore, but
Do you want me just to do the chart?
yeah, I'll do the chart.
Can you see it now?
Um, I see the chart on Zoom, but now on OBS the chart's gone. It was on there for a second, and then whatever you.
Let me try.
Okay, let me go
Can you
back.
see that?
No, I see you perfectly. Hold on. Okay, so I see you. Now let me get your.
Can you see the screen again?
1 second. I'm gonna have to do something again.
Do you want me to switch to screen?
Yeah, try to switch to screen and see if that does anything. Okay, now I got your chart. Yeah, that's okay. I got your chart. Now let me just size the formatting, and then we're gonna roll. Yeah, seeing your chart is the most important thing.
People comment in uh, Twitter.
Yeah, in Twitter. Some will comment on YouTube feed as well, but you know, I think Twitter we get more comments. We'll be live in 2 minutes. Did you click out of screen share again? Because it's just showing you now. All right, I got an idea. Here's what we're going to do. For this stream, we're going to roll with your face cam because I can see your face perfectly. I'll have my chart in the background, and then like if you do take a trade, just say, "Hey, I'm taking NQ right here," or whatever.
See this, let me switch real quick and just hold on a second.
Yeah.
Let me switch back. Can you see it now?
Not on OBS. I see it perfectly on Zoom, but not on OBS. All right, now let me try to add my camera feed coming in. And we'll get this going. Okay, wait, whatever you just did, I see your chart now. So whatever you did, that's got your chart.
So maybe it's going, it's moving, maybe it's going stagnant.
I don't know, but I got your chart now, so that's perfect. Let me just format this up. This is, if we can keep this working, this is going to be just fine. So yeah, maybe, I don't know what button you hit, just I would leave it exactly right there. Or maybe it's just my OBS, one or the other, I don't know. Okay, I got your chart. And now I just got to add my cam and then we're rolling live. Sorry about this delay. I can't hear you talking right now. If you are, I don't know if you are talking. I heard something like slightly in the background there. Wait, and now your charts are gone. So it's like we either have charts or we have audio. We don't have both. I think we roll, man, with just your face cam, like you talking, answering questions, saying what you're trading until we can get, better equipped at this. Because I think people.
Understand why it keeps jumping.
It's all right. I'm going to adjust your face cam here. What is it? Yeah, your audio is not working again. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
All right, now I got audio.
Yeah. Oh, no. Yes, no.
I got audio again. Yep.
Okay.
I'm just cropping you in. So give me 1 second.
I guess if you just want to tell me what the people's questions are, we can answer them.
Yeah, I can definitely do that. No problem.
Like a Q&A buffer thing.
Yeah.
Should I stop the screen share then?
Okay. All right, we're going to roll like this. So let me start the stream.
It's any of the stuff that Travis just sent me.